In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Pixlr. We'll walk through the process from logging in all the way to saving your finished image, so you can quickly create clean, professional-looking cutouts for your projects. First, open your web browser and go to the Pixlr website. Once you're there, log into your Pixlr account using your usual details. If you stay signed in on your computer, you might be taken straight to your dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see different tools and options. On your dashboard, look for the option labeled Remove BG or Remove Background. This is a dedicated tool that automatically cuts out the background from your image. Click on that option to open the background removal workspace. Next, you'll need to choose the image you want to edit. Click on plus select Photos. As soon as you do this, your computer's file browser will pop up. Take a moment to navigate through your folders and find the image whose background you want to remove. This could be a product photo, a portrait, or any picture where you want to isolate the subject. Once you've located your image, click on it to select it, and then press Enter on your keyboard or click the Open button in the file browser. Pixlr will begin uploading the image. The upload time will depend on your internet speed and the size of the file, so give it a moment if it takes a bit longer. After the image finishes uploading, Pixlr will automatically apply the background removal. You don't need to press any extra buttons for this. The tool detects the subject and removes the background for you. You should now see your main subject on a transparent or plain background. Take a quick look at the edges of your subject to make sure the cutout looks clean enough for your needs. If it looks good and you're happy with the result, move your mouse over the image. When you hover over it, you'll see an option to save. Click on Save. Pixlr will then ask you to choose your file format and quality settings. For backgrounds that you plan to keep transparent, choosing a PNG format is usually the best option. After confirming your settings, save the file to your computer and you're done. You now have an image with the background removed, ready to use in your designs, presentations, or online store.